Hey, hey, hey! Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey, and we are going to do a makeup tutorial mask style. So, I hope that you guys can hear me okay. Let me know in the comments if you can hear me, if it sounds good. I've already gone on and done my basic makeup, so I went ahead and did my video primer, because we need a primer to hold the foundation on while we're wearing a mask. My Cashmere Complexion liquid foundation in Buttercream, because it's 24-hour and it does all the good. It's the good stuff. And then I did my Cashmere Complexion concealer in shade Mocha, and so that part is done. Now we're going to do mask makeup. It is hard to talk with this thing on, so we're going to go ahead and do the brows, because the thing is with a mask, the most important thing is like from here up. So can you breathe in these things? I mean, it's hard. We have had an influx of cases in our area, and today is delivery day for me, so I have to wear a mask. So I thought, you know what? We are just going to concentrate on the area that you can see. So here we go. We are doing the Tattoo Station brow pencil, because it is going to stay with us all day long, and we want these eyes to look awesome, because that's all you can really see, right? I mean, it's crazy. Crazy. Who ever thought in 2019 that 2020 would entail us wearing a mask all the time? I mean, to go to the grocery store, to go anywhere we have to go. It's nuts. But we have masks on my website, and they are buy one, get one free, as well as like sanitation wipes. We have cleaning wipes. We have all kinds of different things, and they're all gloves, masks. They're all buy one, get one free. So you definitely want to check that out. All right, we're going to do a mocha latte, and we're going to go in with 2. I'm going to pick up just a touch of 3 and make our crease here. So do you even mess with makeup if you have a mask on? I think that is the question, because I think I've seen a lot of people that are like, we're not even messing with it. I'm not going to do it because you can't see it. So they're not even messing with it. But I feel like we could at least do something to our eyes and help them to stand out and look a little bit different. I don't know. Drop me a comment. Let me know. Are you wearing makeup even with a mask? So I'm making my crease a little bit bigger, and then I'm bringing in like a wing here on the edge. What do you think? So Mocha Latte is a good color. It's not super bold. It's actually kind of a muted, but it's a nude. Okay, we're going to take 3 and 4. I'm just going to kind of play with all 3 of those colors. And then put it down here and blend it up into that crease area. Put a little bit more emphasis on the outer part. There we go. Hey guys, say hi. Let me know that you're with us. And tell me in the comments, are you putting makeup on even with a mask? It seems ridiculous to even mess with it, but if you have a good foundation, like the Cashmere Complexion that's 24-hour, it will still stay on for, you know, if you're going somewhere that you're going to be around people that you know and you want to take your mask off, it's still going to stay in place. All right, SuperExtend liquid liner. I'll tell you one thing a mask has made you realize. Do you need to brush your teeth an extra time before you leave the house? Yes, because I don't have to wear one at work. Are you finding that you pretty much have to wear one everywhere else you go? That is the joy of working from home. I don't have to wear one. I get to be my own boss. Okay. As I talk, it runs up. I haven't worn makeup in like 2. I know. Oh, Amanda, I'm so sorry. That's not fun. Morning sickness. Oh, I remember those days. My best advice to you is keep a package of saltine crackers in your bathroom or by your bedside. And as soon as you get up first thing in the morning, eat a cracker. It's something about it helped with my nausea. So, are the eyes popping? Oh, I gotta go back in here. The good thing is you're not spending a lot of money on lipstick because, well, is it even going to show? I mean, that's the thing. I do love that our Mattitude lipsticks, they tend to stay on me all day long, even with the mask wearing. Curling those lashes up. Let's finish up with some Love Mascara. Really, salt helped. Huh. String cheese and Jell-O. Bless your heart. But saltine crackers, yeah, the salt in the saltine crackers will for sure help. Oh, I bet wearing a mask with morning sickness is no fun. I cannot imagine what that would do. We really want to enhance those lashes because that's all you're seeing. Oh, good. Yeah, I can't imagine being pregnant during a pandemic. I cannot imagine how hard that is, especially like with your doctor's appointments and all of that kind of stuff. So you are definitely in my prayers, Amanda. Okay, guys. Well, that's really all you have to do with the mask. Do those brows, do a great eyeshadow, and then do some eye makeup. Let me show you the eyes. What do you think? So anyway, you can check out the mask and the makeup and all the things at youravon.com/jwoolsey and shop from home, and it'll ship right to your door. Lots of Christmas stuff. So if you missed that video, go back and watch yesterday's video. Lots and lots of Christmas stuff. You can shop from home and have it shipped to your door. So I hope that you guys are staying safe and wearing your mask, washing your hands, and staying away from all the germs. So thank you for getting ready with me. Share this video. Somebody else needs some mask makeup tips. Have a fantastic day, guys. Bye.